A little residue on the bottom was the bacon we had earlier. That'll go good with the enchiladas. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and let's add some onions in here. We got some chili powder. Over here, we got a little bit of garlic powder. All right, stir it up. I'm gonna turn it halfway and let it simmer. Be back. I'm gonna cut a sliver here and an air hole here. It's gonna cook and simmer, and I probably don't want to add the cheese to melt till towards the end. Why does somebody want flour?
Because the flour ones are the best.
Oh, man. I'm gonna go put the lid on it. I'm gonna get some coals on bottom. I'm gonna get some coals on top, or some wood even. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna let it just heat up and simmer and add the cheese towards the end. That's what we got. I told Billy, I said, you can use my charcoal. He goes, I have been, I pretty much used it all. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put this on top of that. Add me some coals on top with the tag that Billy made.
I'm gonna lit her up a little bit.
Alright, we're gonna turn one more time. Texas Bow Hunter. He's gonna put the cheese in there. He hadn't washed his hands in 3 days.
3.5.
3.5? Yeah! We're gonna melt this cheese up, and then we're gonna show you all the dishes that go together. I learned that from Billy. Billy's not even out here. We're gonna call this done, okay? All right, so right here we got chicken enchiladas on the left.
Yep.
Beef enchiladas on the right, and half of it is flour, half of it's corn. Yeah, and then we got what you call
Mexican rice.
Mexican rice. Yeah. And then we got queso. Queso. Yeah, because we got chips to go with the queso, or pour them on your enchiladas. Do whatever you want. And right here, we have cobbler. Oh wait, that's not cobbler.
I don't make cobbler. I make
cobbler.
I made Mexican cornbread this time.
Mexican cornbread. Yeah.
Wow. But I don't make cobbler.
That's what I do. Yeah. Here's my plate. Yeah. Tex-Mex. Jake made chicken enchiladas.
Oh, yeah.
Right here. Yeah, let's try it out. Mmm.
And he hand roasted the chicken itself.
Wow.
That's really good.
You wrangled the enchiladas.
Now I'm gonna test. I'm testing.
Good job, Jake.
Papa Texas made some enchiladas. I'm gonna taste them and tell you what I think about his enchiladas. What's that, Billy?
So, Papa, how they taste?
Tupperware just in case.
Yes, with a lot of good.
Super good.
What'd you think?
I thought they tasted awesome.
Huh?
I do look forward to everybody's videos so I can see how everybody made theirs. Because everything turned out so good.
Yeah. Papa did awesome. You need to go subscribe to Papa Texas. He cooks awesome. Yeah. Wow.
Y'all should go subscribe to Papa Texas because he cooks awesome.
Yeah. Wow.
Hey, did y'all hear? Papa Texas is a really great cook.
Awesome.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Subscribe. Wow. We got Vicky's rice. What'd you got? Get over here.
It's Mexican rice, Papa.
Trying to like move around to keep my blood flowing.
Oh, very nice.
You approve?
I approve. Are you gonna put this video out making that?
I will put that
Oh
video
yeah.
out.
You need to go check out that recipe on her channel.
Ring that bell. Subscribe.
Yeah. Wow.
Thanks, Papa.
Lola.
Your turn.
Yes, Papa?
Lola made some queso to go with our chips for our meal. Yeah.
Wow.
Ain't that awesome? Yes, it is.
It's good, Papa.
I haven't tried it yet.
Oh, that looks so delicious.
All right, let's go for it. Yes,
Very good.
very much. Papa approved. The last one I have to show you, Mexican cornbread, right there. We didn't put butter on it.
I didn't
Did
put butter
you
on
make a
mine.
video of it?
I did.
She did. You can go over there and check out how to make Mexican cornbread. Holy! Yeah! Tesla Dutch oven cooking Tex-Mex in the Dutch oven. That is awesome. This is our get together with friends from YouTube. There they are. There they are. What do you call that?
A dog.
What is a dog?
It is
Really?
a Dutch oven gathering.
Awesome.
Because you know what? There ain't no loving like Dutch oven loving.
That's right. All right, here we go.